Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Okay, before I would like introduce myself, my name is Sisi Tania. I'm from class 3B. My student number is 222-31998. Okay, in this occasion, I would like explain about the ways to improve English speaking skills. Men say that many students master the fine points of English grammar but find themselves at loss when it comes to actually having a conversation with the native speakers. Okay, from this word I relate to our presentation today because I think there are many people who can English grammar but when he having a conversation with the native speaker he lost. Okay, because of that, I want to talk about how to improve English speaking skills. Many ways to improve our English speaking skill, but in this time, I just want to explain 4 ways. The first is find an English speaking conversation partner. The second, surround yourself with the English language. The third, practice with music and movie. The last, expand your vocabulary. Find an English conversation partner. It's important to find native speakers to practice with. Students who are living around many English speakers may be able to find informal opportunities to chat with neighbors and local business people. I think this way is very important. When we find native speaker to practice our English, that of course we can take many lessons from him, such as vocabulary, pronunciation, and many other. The second is surround yourself with the English. Another way to improve your English speaking skills that is to immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Example like watch movies or TV in English with subtitle if you need them, and watch the same programs over and over. The third is practice with music and movie. Listen to music and movie in English. That music and movie are the best tools for learning intonation pronunciation. However, we are as teenager, we can far from the music and movie. Because of that, use them for improve our English skills. The last is expand your vocabulary. Gleaning new words day in or day out in a good way to widen your vocabulary. Commit to a suitable target. It can be 3 daily words or it can be 10 daily words. Maybe this is the best way to improve our English because when we have memorized any vocabularies, we can practice it easily. Hello guys, I hope from this presentation that can help you to improve your English speaking skill. If you have any question, please DM me on my Instagram at @sisitania_. Okay, maybe just this from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.